This one is going to very amazing one. So, how MongoDB helps Zepto reduce the latency by 40%. Behind Zepto 10 minutes delivery promise is a database built for the speed. Zepto, the quick commerce giant, leveraged MongoDB Atlas to overcome the significant scalability challenge. Behind Zepto 10 minutes delivery promise is a database built for the speed. Such This is said by the Sachin Chawla, VP of the India and the South Asia at the MongoDB, in a recent social media post. By shifting from the monolithic architecture with a relational database to a MongoDB NoSQL platform, Zepto reduces latency for its critical API by 40%. These changes also boost its scalability to handle 6 times more traffic, improving both operational efficiency and the overall customer experience. The challenge: scaling quick commerce. Found in 2021, Zepto revolutionized the Indian grocery delivery industry with its promise of 10 minutes delivery. However, as Zepto expands, achieving 1.5 billion in annual sale by mid 2024, its legacy infrastructure struggled to keep pace. Performance of bottleneck, high latency, and the inability to deliver the real-time analytics hinder growth and the operational efficiency. A few months ago, during a presentation at the MongoDB local, Mayank Agarwal, senior architect at the Zepto, explained we had a big monolith and all the components were powered by the PostgreSQL and a few Redis clusters. As our business grew, we faced many performance issues and restricted on a velocity at which we wanted to operate. Zepto resilience on the Redis cluster for caching also became a bottleneck. As the business scaled, Shitish Singh, technical lead at the Zepto, note we had a pretty huge Redis cluster which we wanted to get rid of. As we are not able to scale it further, MongoDB's memory caching solved this problem for us. Why MongoDB Atlas? Zepto sought to break its monolithic architecture into a microservice and migrate to the NoSQL database. To address this issue, after evaluating multiple databases, MongoDB stood out due to the ability to handle the nested documentation structure and an array-based query effectively. The queries were very prominent given the required index we had created, and that gave us the confidence, said Agarwal. The biggest motivating factor was when we saw the MongoDB provides into a memory caching, we could address the huge Redis cluster that we couldn't scale further. MongoDB Atlas Point also offers features such as the real-time data archiver and analytical nodes, enabling Zepto to separate the customer-facing workload from internal query. Seeing highlighted, this ensured that the customer performance wasn't compromised. Result: faster, scalable, and reliable. Zepto migration to the MongoDB Atlas result into an improved efficiency and an overall operation level. The company witnessed a huge reduction in latency, therefore significantly improving the response time of critical API and enhancing the customer experience. Additionally, the infrastructure scaled to handle the 6 times more traffic, ensuring no performance degradation. The migration to the MongoDB also led to a 14% improvement in a page load time, contributing to a higher conversion rate and increased the sale. MongoDB support for analytical nodes, enabling Zepto to maintain the consistent performance, ensuring the efficiency real-time analytics across the platform. The shift also streamlined the Zepto ETL pipeline, that is the extract, transform, load, and archival process, reducing management overhead and enabling fast deployment of new feature. Post the migration,